Smart Site Plan is the perfect companion for current CAD and GIS users. You now have the freedom to take your data with you wherever you are. With Smart Site Plan, you don't need to go through rigorous training or be an expert at professional software. Because if you've ever used an online map, then Smart Site Plan will come naturally to you. Our powerful interface allows you to search through nearly 5 million GIS datasets sourced around the world, allowing you to compare and collaborate information instantly. Before your sources are even shown, Smart Site Plan filters out low-ranking results using selected categories or search terms and your map's current location. A dynamic preview is also generated to help speed up the selection process. This all ensures that you won't have to trial and error your way through datasets and you'll get better results faster. If your organization is currently hosting GIS data on the web, then your information is already at your fingertips. If you're managing your CAD or GIS offline, then you can use our Upload to Layers functionality to securely share your data amongst your team. Paper plan conversion services are also available, so you can get rid of your stacks of paper and move to digital. Smart Site Plan is the perfect on-site companion for your field crews. The software is accessible over the web, so there are never any programs to install or updates to worry about. Giving project access to consultants outside of your organization is easy too, with invites. And since Smart Site Plan is available through a web browser, consultants can access your project on practically any device with an internet connection. Other convenient tools such as digital file storage and online forums help increase workflow and allow you to get more done outside of the office. Geolocation functionality gives you X-ray vision into what's already in the ground, so you can anticipate mistakes before they happen or be quick to solve problems when they do happen. Smart Site Plan is your digital Swiss Army knife for infrastructure management and the perfect companion for current CAD and GIS users. Discover how Smart Site Plan can save you money and increase productivity. Get things done right the first time by having a complete picture and access to important information wherever you are.